you're experiencing frame stuttering in Rocket League, follow these steps to help resolve the issue quickly. This guide will walk you through some effective solutions. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Open Rocket League and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can help reduce the load on your system and improve frame rates. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and lead to stuttering. Use the task manager to end these processes. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're using Steam, right-click on Rocket League in your library, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 5. Optimize system performance. Adjust your computer's power settings to high performance. This can be done through the control panel under Power Options. Additionally, ensure your system is free of malware and unnecessary startup programs that could affect performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Rocket League gameplay. If problems persist, consider seeking further technical support or checking community forums for additional solutions.